Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's make a nice chatpata dhaba style chicken tawa fry. So here I've heated a tawa. If you do not have a large tawa, you can use a kadhai as well. I'm going to heat 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm simply going to fry a kilo of chicken in it till it's nice and brown. The chicken has got a nice golden brown color to it. It took us just 5 minutes on a high flame to make this nice and brown. Now we're going to add a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste, a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste, and now we're going to saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Takes about a minute. To this we're going to add 2 tomatoes that I have roughly chopped, and we are going to saute this till the tomatoes are cooked nice, soft and mushy. The tomatoes have cooked nice, soft and mushy. Now let's add our spices to this. A teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of red chilli powder. I'm just going to quickly saute this, and I'm going to reduce the flame to a medium because we don't want our spices to get burnt. Let's add some salt to this. Mix it. And now I'm going to add half a cup of water to this. And I'm going to cover this and let it cook in its own juices till the chicken is done. We kept this chicken to cook for almost 15 minutes on a medium to a low flame. The chicken is almost done. So now let's add the remaining ingredients. 3/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Just going to squeeze juice of half a lemon. Going to add 1 onion. Mix this well. Just going to add 1 green chilli which I have finely chopped, some ginger juliennes, just mixing this, and I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes before we serve this dish. If you feel that the chicken is gone slightly dry, then you can add another half cup of water to this. Just mix this well. And now let's just add some coriander, finely chopped fresh coriander, and garnish this well. Let's remove this in a serving platter. And our dhaba style chicken tawa fry is ready to be served. You can have this dhaba style chicken tawa fry as a starter, or you can have it with some chapatis or rotis of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know.